Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to turn on flashlight on iPhone when ringing. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. In the Accessibility menu, scroll down and tap on Audio and Visual. Here you'll see various audio and visual options. Look for LED flash for alerts. You'll see a toggle switch next to LED flash for alerts. Tap on it to turn it on. The switch will turn green. Once enabled, your iPhone's flashlight will flash whenever you receive a call, message, or notification. The LED flash will blink on the back of your phone to alert you of incoming notifications. This feature works even when your phone is on silent mode, making it easy to notice incoming calls without sound. Now, scroll down and you'll see another option called Flash while unlocked. Tap on the toggle switch next to Flash while unlocked to turn it on. The switch will turn green. With this enabled, the flashlight will flash even when your phone is unlocked and you're actively using it. And that's it. Your iPhone flashlight will now flash when you receive calls and notifications, even while unlocked. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.